Tell you a little bit about our business. We're an independent business. We've been established for 2 years now, and we're in the heart of St Albans. The idea is to actually bring Harley Street treatments to St Albans, to the people of St Albans, so they don't have to travel, and without the Harley Street price tag. In our business is to educate people a little bit about their skin so that they understand what's actually happening to them and make them look and feel their best. We wanted to sponsor St Albans Fashion Week for the second time actually, because we want to support what goes on in our community, and we want to support local retailers and fashion.